Good morning, America. Live from sun and fun, northern New England, coastal southern Maine. This is Frank Margell on the corner of the Gorham Road and the Maine Mall Road during the blizzard of 2018. And it is a blizzard indeed. I'm not affiliated with any business or enterprise that you may see in the video today. I'm out here in the public domain sharing my comments and views with you. And if you'd like to go ahead and send me a comment, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Please try to keep it upbeat and clean. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube pages and my other social media pages. Thank you very much. And I wanted to follow up with you on this blizzard that is now upon us and that we have been following recently. The last couple of weeks has been the winter for the record books, I'll tell you. However, always check your facts when I get out and about and share my comments and views with you. I'm sure you have your own comments and views. And I want to thank those who have been cheerfully following some of my recent content. I am a content provider. It's a hobby of mine, but as I endure, I find it fascinating to get out and about and keep you posted on all the fun facts and weather conditions right here in the winter blizzard of 2018 in coastal southern Maine. Conditions are terrible right now. The roads are gunking up. The plow trucks are out. They're treating the roads. It's been snowing steadily since about 7 a.m. this morning. Right now it's just past 10 as the mall opens. Very few shoppers. The schools are out, but nobody is in a big rush, if you can imagine, to come over here and do some mall walking today. But nonetheless, the service workers are out, the plow truck drivers are out, and they're taking care of business. So I checked the National Weather Service. I'm not affiliated with them and I don't speak for them prior to coming here this morning. And things are not looking good. The National Weather Service has a very cool website where you can type in your zip code and pull up all kinds of interesting facts. So go ahead and check your facts. And the weather is constantly changing. So I try to keep updated as much as humanly possible. But in fact, these conditions are just getting worse. And the last time I checked, the daytime accumulation could be 8 to 12 inches. That's right. And this is Thursday, January 4th. So this is going to go well into the evening. And then tomorrow, Friday, we could see another 1 to 3 inches. Well over a foot is projected. There's coastal advisories. We got a wicked wind right now blowing from the north, and it's gusting anywhere from 15 to 30 miles per hour. That could increase to 50 miles per hour, and we could also see very strong winds coming from the west. This is the blizzard of 2018, right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine, at the Maine Mall. Kudos to all those that are out servicing our roads. Thank you very much. There are plenty of service workers, police, fire, and rescue out and about on the roads, helping folks, treating the roads, and the best advice I've heard is stay off the roads. And I have rubbed some elbows with some locals here during my coffee run this morning, and many folks are just going to go home and sit this one out. Yeah, the blizzard of 2018 right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. I'll try to keep you posted. I'll get out and about later on today and show you the conditions, as I'm sure they're going to get much worse and as the snow piles up and accumulates. Nonetheless, there are some folks out and about trying to take care of business during the blizzard of 2018. Right here on the Gorham Road and the Maine Mall Road. This is Frank Margell, Thursday, January 4th, thinking Thursday, thinking blizzard. Oh, just past 10 a.m. here at the mall. You have a great Maine day. Thank you to all those who service this community, the state of Maine, Northern New England, and the United States of America. God bless you all. And thank you once again for subscribing to my web pages and sending me upbeat comments and shares. I appreciate it, and I will respond in kind. You stay tuned. I'll do my best to keep you posted on the blizzard of 2018.